Hello, today I'm going to make this plant, and you will need a 100% acrylic yarn, a scissor, and 3.5mm crochet hook. Then start by doing a magic ring, chain, and then make 6 single crochet inside the ring. Once you have 6 single crochet, pull the tail, and then for round 2, do a increase in each of the chain for 12 single crochet stitches around. Then for round 3 to round 7, a 5 rounds of 12 single crochet stitches. Once you're done with 5 rounds, remove the stitch marker, single crochet, and then chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then half double crochet, second chain from the hook, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then in the next chain, do a 6 double crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then in the next, another 6 double crochet in the same chain. And then in the next, another double crochet of 6. Then in this last chain, wrap around your yarn on your hook 2 times. Then make 7 treble crochet. This is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then slip stitch in the next 6 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then chain 8, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then repeat half double crochet, second chain from the hook, 6 half double crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then double crochet 6 in the next. Then just repeat double crochet in the next 2 chains, and then triple crochet 7 in the next 3 chains. And after that, slip stitch in the next slip stitch in the next 6 chains. Then cut the yarn and hide the tail inside.